So there are how many companies in Tata Group? 50, 100, 150? Well, the number is much bigger. We'll first begin with Tata Sons. It is the parent company of the group. Now looking at the subsidiaries of the company, let's begin a long list. EWAT Investments Limited, Tata Limited, Indian Rotocraft Limited, Panato and Invest Limited, Akashastha Technologies Private Limited, Tejas Networks Limited, Tejas Communication Pte Limited, Tejas Communications Nigeria, Tata Communications Limited, Tata Communications Transformation Services Limited, Tata Communications Collaboration Services Private Limited, Tata Communications Payment Solutions Limited, Tata Communications Lanka Limited, Tata Communications Services Pte Limited, Tata Communications Bermuda, Tata Communications Netherlands, Tata Communications Hong Kong, ITXC IP Holdings, Tata Communications America, Tata Communications International, Tata Communications Canada, Tata Communications Belgium, Tata Communications Italy, Tata Communications Portugal, Tata Communications France, Tata Communications Nordic, Tata Communications Guam, Tata Communications Portugal, Tata Communications Australia, Tata Communications SVCS Bermuda, Tata Communications Poland, Tata Communications Japan, Tata Communications UK, Tata Communications Deutschland, Tata Communications Middle East, Tata Communications Hungary, Tata Communications Ireland, Tata Communications Russia, Tata Communications Switzerland, Tata Communications Sweden, TCPOP Communications, Tata Communications Taiwan, Tata Communications Thailand, Tata Communications Malaysia, Tata Communications Transformation Services South Africa, Tata Communications Spain, Tata Communications Beijing, VSNL SNO SPV, Tata Communications South Korea, Tata Communications Transformation Services Hungary, Tata Communications Transformation Services Pte Limited, Tata Communications Brazil, Tata Communications Transformation Services US, Tata Communications Comunicaos Brazil, Nexus Connection SA, Sepco Communications, Tata Communications New Zealand, Tata Communications MOVE BV, Tata Communications MOVE Netherlands, Tata Communications MOVE UK, Tata Communications MOVE Singapore, Nucoso BV, NetFoundry, TC IoT Managed Solution Limited, TCTS Senegal Limited, Oasis Smart SIM Europe, Oasis Smart eSIM PT, TS Investments Limited, Tata SI Airline Limited, Infinity Retail Limited, Tata Incorporated, Tata Investment Corporation, Simto Investment Company, Tata Asset Management Private Limited, Tata Asset Management Mauritius, Tata Pension Management Limited, Tata Consulting Engineers Limited, EcoFirst Services Limited, TC QSTP LLC, Tata Engineering Consultants Saudi Arabia, Tata International AG TRIF Investment Management Limited, Tata Advanced System Limited, Aurora Integrated Systems Private Limited, Nova Integrated Systems Limited, TASL Aerostructure Private Limited, Tata Advanced Material Limited, Tata Capital Limited, Tata Capital Advisors, Tata Capital Financial Services, Tata Capital General Partners, Tata Capital Growth Fund, Tata Capital Healthcare General Partners, Tata Capital Housing Finance Limited, Tata Capital Markets, Tata Capital PLC, Tata Capital PT Limited, Tata Cleantech Capital Limited, Tata Opportunities General Partners, Tata Securities Limited, Tata Capital Special Situation Fund, Tata Capital Healthcare Fund, Tata Capital Innovations Fund, Tata Capital Growth Fund, TCL Employee Welfare Trust, Tata Capital Growth 2 General Partners, Tata Capital Healthcare Fund, Tata Capital Healthcare General Partners, Tata Capital Opportunities General Partners, Tata Capital Opportunities 2 Alternative Investment Fund, Tata Housing Development Company, Apex Reality Private Limited, Concepts Developers and Leasing Limited, HLT Residency Private Limited, 3-Day Reality Private Limited, North Bombay Real Estate Private Limited, One Colombo Project, Cromont Hillside Private Limited, Smart Values Home Private Limited, Tata Value Homes Limited, THDC Management Services Limited, World One Sri Lanka, World One Development Company, Synergizers Sustainable Foundation, Technopolis Knowledge Park, Princeton Infrastructure Private Limited, Cromont Hilltop Private Limited, Smart Value Homes Private Limited, Tata Realty and Infrastructure, Acme Living Solutions, Arrow Infra Estate Private Limited, Gurgaon Construct Well Private Limited, Gurgaon Realty Limited, HP Farms Private Limited, TRIF Gurgaon Housing Projects, TRIL Constructions, Well-Kept Facility Management Services, TRIL Roads Private Limited, TRIL Urban Transport, TRIL Infopark, Hampi Expressway Private Limited, Dharamshala Ropeway, Manali Ropeways, International Infrabuild Private Limited, Uchit Expressways, TRPL Roadways Private Limited, Durg Shivnath Expressway, Mathiran Ropeway Private Limited, MIA Infrastructure, TRIL Bangalore Real Estate 1 Private Limited, TRIL Bangalore Consultants Private Limited, TRIL Bangalore Real Estate 3 Private Limited, TRIL Bangalore Real Estate 4 Private Limited, TRIL IT4 Private Limited, Infopark Properties, Tata Consultancy Services Limited, Tata Consultancy Services France, APT Online Limited, CH Technologies Limited, CMC Americas, Diligenta Limited, Maha Online Limited, MGDC SC, MP PT Online Limited, PT Tata Consultancy Services Indonesia, Tata America International Corporation, Tata Consultancy Services Africa, Tata Consultancy Services China, Tata Consultancy Services Philippines, Tata Consultancy Services South Africa, Tata Consultancy Services Thailand, Tata Consultancy Services Argentina, Tata Consultancy Services Asia Pacific, Tata Consultancy Services Belgium, Tata Consultancy Services Canada, Tata Consultancy Services Chile, Tata Consultancy Services Denmark, Tata Consultancy Services Hispana, Tata Consultancy Services de Mexico, Tata Consultancy Services Deutschland, Tata Consultancy Services Brazil, Tata Consultancy Services Luxembourg, Tata Consultancy Services Malaysia, Tata Consultancy Services Netherlands, Tata Consultancy Services Österreich, Tata Consultancy Services Portugal, Tata Consultancy Services Qatar, Tata Consultancy Services Sweden, Tata Consultancy Services Switzerland, Tata Solutions Center, Tata eServe America, Tata Financial Solutions Beijing, TCS Financial Solutions Australia, TCS Financial Solutions Australia Pty Limited, TCS FNS Pty, TCS Ibero-America, TCS Chile, Tata Consultancy Services Italia, TCS Solutions Center, TCS Uruguay, TCS eServe International, Tata Consultancy Services Japan, TCS Foundation, Tata Consultancy Services Saudi Arabia, Technology Outsourcing SAS, Technology Consultancy Services UK, TCS Business Services GmbH, Tata Consultancy Services Ireland, TCS Technology Solution, Saudi Desert Rose Holding, Tata Consultancy Services Bulgaria, Tata Consultancy Services Guatemala, Tata Trustee Company Private Limited, Nishkalp Infrastructure, India Emerging Companies Investment Limited, Inshallah Investment, Tata Autocorp Systems, Automotive Stampings and Assemblies, Nanjing Tata Autocom, Taco Engineering Services, Rifus Holding Sweden, Titanex Holding, Titanex Engine Cooling Kunshan Company, Titanex Engine Cooling AB, Titanex De Motors, Titanex Engine Cooling Poland, Titanex Engine Cooling SRL, Changshu, Tata Autocom, Tata Toyo Radiator Limited, Tata Autocom Hendrickson Suspension Private Limited, Tata International Limited, Alliance Motors Ghana Limited, Blackwood Hodge Zimbabwe, Calci Footwear Private Limited, Monroe Portugal, Move On Components, Move On Retail Spain, Padmozi Hotels, Tata Africa Holdings Ghana, Tata Africa Holdings Kenya, Tata Africa Holdings South Africa, Tata Africa Holdings Tanzania, Tata Africa Holdings Nigeria, Tata Africa Services Nigeria, Tata Africa Steel Processors, Tata Automobile Corporation, Tata Mozambique, Tata Holdings Mozambique, Tata International Metals Americas, Tata International Metals Asia, Tata International Metals Guangzhou, Tata International Metals UK, Tata International Singapore, Tata Southeast Asia Cambodia, Tata Southeast Asia Limited, Tata Uganda Limited, Tata West Asia FZE, Tata Zambia Private Limited, TIL Leather Mauritius Limited, Tata International West Asia Motor Hub East Africa Limited, Tata International Vietnam Company, Tata International Unitech, Tata International Canada, New Shelf 1369 Pty Limited, Alliance Finance Corporation, Tata International Metal, AFCL Ghana Limited, AFCL Premium Services Limited, AFCL Zambia, Alliance Leasing, Strider Cycle Private Limited, AFCL RSA, TISPL Trading Company Limited, Societe Financiere Alliance Finance Corporation Senegal, Tata International DLT Private Limited, Taj Air Limited, Impetus Biosciences Limited, Tata Tele Services Limited, Tata Tele Next Gen Solutions Limited, NVS Technologies Limited, TTL Mobile Private Limited, Tata Tele Services Maharashtra Limited, Tata Digital Private Limited, Tata Payments Limited, Supermarket Grocery Supplies Private Limited, Innovative Retail Concepts Private Limited, Saris Retail, Deliver Retail Network, Daily Ninja Delivery Services, Tata 1MG Technologies, Tata 1MG Healthcare, LFS Healthcare Private Limited, Infinity Retail Limited, Tata Fintech Private Limited, Protraveni Private Limited, AirAsia Limited, Tata Medical Diagnostics Limited, Thales Private Limited, Air India Limited, Air India Express, Tata Electronics Private Limited, Vidial Residency, Tata Business Hub, Tata Elixir, Forbine Private Limited, and Tata AIG General Insurance Company Limited. And these were the subsidiaries of Tata Group. Now let's look at the associate companies of Tata Sons. Tata Chemicals Limited, Rallis India Limited, Tata Chemicals North America, Tata Chemicals Europe, Tata Chemicals Ugadi, Tata Chemicals Soda Ash, Meta Helix Life Sciences, Tata Consumer Products Limited, Tata Consumer Products UK Group Limited, Tata Coffee Limited, 8 O'Clock Coffee Company, Tata Motors Limited, Jaguar Land Rover Limited, Tata Daewoo Commercial Vehicle Company, Tata Daewoo Commercial Vehicle Sales and Distribution Company, Tata Manufacturing Technologies Shanghai, Tata Motors European Technical Center, Tata Motors Finance Limited, Tata Technologies Thailand, Tata Technologies Europe, Tata Technologies PT Limited, TMF Holdings Limited, Tata Motors Thailand, Tata Motors Insurance Broking and Advisory Services Limited, Tata Technologies SRL Romania, Tata Motors Finance Solution Limited, Tata Technologies Limited, Tata Tata Motors SA, Tata Steel Limited, Tata Steel Utilities and Infrastructure Services Limited, Tata Metallics, Tata Steel Long Products Limited, Nat Steel Recycling, the Siam Industrial Wire Company, Tata Steel Mining Limited, Chorus Group Limited, Tata Steel KZN, Tata Steel Thailand, Tata Steel BSNL Limited, Tata Steel Europe Limited, Tata Steel IG Muden, Indian Steel and Wire Products Limited, Jamshedpur Football and Sporting Private Limited, Tata Steel Netherlands, Tata Steel Downstream Products Limited, Tata Steel UK Limited, Tire Rolls Limited, Tata Pigments Limited, the Tin Plate Company of India Limited, the Indian Hotels Company Limited, IM Hotels Limited, United Hotels Limited, Roots Corporation, Taj Trade and Transport Company, St. James Court Hotel, Indie Travel Limited, the Tata Power Company, Coastal Gujarat Power Limited, Nelco Limited, Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited, Tata Power Renewable Energy Limited, Tata Power Solar Systems, Tata Power Trading Company, Trent Limited, Voltas, Titan Company, Tata Elxsi, Connect Business Solutions, Tata Projects, the Associated Building Company, Tata Enterprises Overseas, and ATC Telecom Infrastructure. So hope you found something unique and informative. I'll see you again very soon. And thanks for watching the Filmy Cut.